we are going to finish the last act that we made. Today we are doing the design. In doing the design, you cut your wire and put your glue gum inside the, after cutting the excess of the cap, then you put your wire. This is the wire. You put your gum, then you fold it. You fold it. You fold it. Make sure that the wire is intact. It's the wire that will hold the edge of the earth, make it strong. See the way I'm doing it? Then we have fixed the wire. Can you see it? Now it's now time to put our head, the crown. Now you are going to take your blade. There is a place inside the brim, very round at the top of it. You measure 1 inch forward. Then you take your blade, you cut round. Do you see the way I'm doing it? You cut it round like this. Cut it round. Cut it round. Please don't cut it too much so that the crown will be able to enter it. Cut it round. Can you see our cutting? Then you take your scissors. You pinch. Look at it where you cut round. You cut it small. Please don't cut it too much so that the crown will be able to fit in. Can you see it? This is what we do. Now you take your crown, you cut the excess out to the edge of the crown. Cut it out. Do you see it now? Then you put your glue gum, you take your brim again, put your glue gum round the edge of the heart of the brim where you cut off. Put your glue gum well. Look at it. Then take your crown, cover it with it. Then you use your hand to fix it. You can see that we have fixed our brim and our crown together. Look at it. This is how it will come out. Now we want to cut the band of the hat. In cutting band, it depends on how you want the band to be, whether you want it big or wide. But you can cut 2.5, you can cut 3, you can cut 3.5 for your band. Let's do that now. I'm cutting 3.5. You cut 3.5 out. Do you see it? This is how we cut it. This is our band. Band. This is the band. You fold your band like this. Put your glue gum at the edge of the band and you cut. Put your glue gum. and fold it. Fold it like this and fold it like this. Now we have finished cutting our bands and we have folded it. Look at the folding. Now we are going to fix the band on the heart. You take your ugum and put it round the heart. Put it round it like this, the way I'm doing it. Put it round it. Then you take your band, fix it like this. Fix it to the front. Make sure that it's very firm. Why we are putting band is to cover the joining of the heart. Cover this joining of the heart. Then you join the front together by using your ugum. As in using your ugum to join it together like this. This is how to join it. You can see it, we have fixed our band. Look at it, we have fixed our band. Now we are going to cut the style. We are going to use comb. Comb. Your comb, it depends on the size that you want, but I'm going to measure 6 by 6. 6 by 6. Your breadth is 6 and your length is 7. Then you cut out. You have to cut like 4 or 5 of it if it is cone that you are using, and if it is leaf, you use the edge of your paper mat to form your leaf, or you can cut it out with your cardboard. See, this is my leaf. I've cut it. See the leaf? This is the leaf. Look at it. This is the leaf. And to make your cone, you put your ugum around the paper mat that you cut. Make your ugum like this. Then you fold it together like this. You gum it. Gum it, then you put them out together. This is our cone. Can you see it? We have formed the cone. Then you cut 5 of this and the leaf. Everything 5. Then you form, if you want to design your art, you form a round, your design must form a round circle. Use your design to form a round, you arrange it in a round circle. Now, we are going to fix our design. Look at our design and you tack it on it. Look at it, we have fixed our design. We have fixed our design. This is what we make. This is the finishing. You can see it. You can subscribe to our YouTube page or call me on my number. And if you want more training, I can add you to Telegram training. Thank you.